Today I'm going to show you how I went viral on Scratch and got my project on this Explore page overnight. This trick is called the F4F trick, one of my tricks but not my best trick. All you have to do is go into the search bar, type up F4F, then after that press enter. Go on to Studios, then after that click on an F4F studio. Go on to the comments tab, then after that type up this exact thing. I am following anyone who follows me. Now, after you type this in, after a few hours, you will watch all the followers go in. Now this next trick is called Studio Spam. What you do is you click on Studios, then after that you go into a random studio, then after that you click on Browse Projects. Now what you do is you click on all of your projects. What this does is if your project looks good, then after that a person might want to click on it. If they click on it, then after that they might click on the favorites and they might click on the stars. What this does is this gives you more project views, which makes you get more followers. Now for the last one, I'm going to ask you, what do all of these projects on the Explore page all have in common? Well, if you said thumbnails, now that you are correct. The most effective way that got me the most views and followers on my Scratch projects are thumbnails. Because if you add a thumbnail on your Scratch project, it will make it clickable. For example, this thumbnail right here makes me want to click on this project. I've already posted a video on how to make thumbnails, and the link's in the description below. None of these methods worked for you, and do you want an easy way to get a bunch of followers? What you have to do is like this video, then after that subscribe to me, then comment your Scratch name 10 times. Then after that I'll get all my subscribers and all of my followers to follow you so that you can get a bunch of followers overnight. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye guys.